of a disease called Lewy body dementia. This condition is debilitating and surprisingly common for something most people have never heard of. It's the second most common cause of dementia after Alzheimer's disease. It's also the most frequently misdiagnosed cause of dementia, partly because it's often mistaken for Parkinson's disease until the hallucinations start. And that's exactly what happened to Robin Williams, who had been diagnosed with the early stages of Parkinson's at the time of his death. But his autopsy revealed small clusters known as Lewy bodies in his cerebral cortex, a typical sign of Lewy body dementia. Lewy bodies are small clumps of proteins, mainly one called alpha-synuclein. Everyone has alpha-synuclein in their brains as well as in other tissues like their hearts and muscles. It's found in nerve cells, and it appears to have something to do with the release of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that help nerves communicate with each other, although its role isn't really understood. What we do know is that it's perfectly healthy to have alpha-synuclein in your body. Scientists still aren't sure what causes Lewy body dementia, but Lewy bodies seem to form when something, like a mutation or damage to the gene responsible for making alpha-synuclein, causes those protein molecules to be created in the wrong shape. And when alpha-synuclein is folded incorrectly, it can start to clump together. Those clumps become the Lewy bodies, and they slowly accumulate, spreading through the brain and interfering with the neurons' ability to communicate with each other. In Parkinson's, Lewy bodies form in the brainstem and the substantia nigra, the part of the brain that produces the neurotransmitter dopamine. Both of those areas help control muscle movement, so the result is a loss of coordination.